Hello, I am Professor P.K. Garg. Today we are going to discuss special type of electronic configurations known as exceptional electronic configurations. Exceptional electronic configuration. As we know that the electronic configuration means the arrangement of electrons, arrangement of electrons in various orbitals according to their energies. But today we will discuss the special electronic configuration. For example, the electronic configuration of chromium and copper. The electronic configuration of chromium and copper. We know that the chromium have atomic number 24. So, according to their atomic number, the electronic configuration should be 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6, 4s2, 3d4. The expected electronic configuration should be 4s2, 3d4. The expected electronic configuration should be 4s2, 3d4. But actually, the actual electronic configuration is 4s1, 3d5. One of the electron from the 4s orbital is shifted from s orbital to d orbital. Similarly, for copper, atomic number is 29 and the expected electronic configuration is 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6, 4s2, 3d9. The expected electronic configuration should be 4s2, 3d9, but the actual electronic configuration is 4s1, 3d10. Same case, the one electron is shifted from 4s orbital to 3d orbital. Why it happens so? क्यों होया बेटा? According to electronic configurations, we know that 3d have 5 orbitals. 3d have 5 orbitals. In 5 orbital, we can maximum 10 electron can fill, but there are 4 electrons. First of all, we are talking about the expected, according to the expected electronic configuration. Then we will discuss the actual electronic configuration. According to the expected electronic configuration, the 3d orbital have maximum 4 electrons. For chromium, according to the expected electronic configuration, the copper should have 9 electron in their 3d orbital. Today we will discuss that why instead of 3d electrons in chromium 3d5 is possible, and similarly in copper why it is shifted from 3d9 to 3d10 orbitals, 3d10 electronic configuration. Why this is happens? Because the completely half filled and the completely half filled and the completely fully filled and completely fully filled configurations are more stable. बेटा ऐसे क्यों हुआ? बिकॉज द completely half filled and completely fully filled configurations are more stable. ऐसा इसलिए हुआ because the completely half filled and completely fully filled configurations are more stable. But question is, why the completely half filled and fully filled electronic configurations are more stable? What is the reason behind this, that we are always saying that the completely half filled and the completely fully filled configurations are more stable? So today we will discuss these factors why these configurations are more stable. For the explanation of these why half filled and fully filled configurations are more stable, there are two factors. One of them is exchange energy and the second one is symmetry. One of them is exchange energy and the second one is symmetry. So today we will discuss exchange energy and symmetry step by step. First of all, what is meant by exchange energy? Exchange energy means number of exchanges. Number of exchanges. Greater the number of exchanges, greater will be the stability. Greater is the number of exchanges, greater will be the stability. So, as we know that according to the expected electronic configuration, chromium has 3d 4 electronic configuration. So, the number of exchanges if there are 4 electrons of same spin, they can exchange their positions with each other like this way. Now the second electron can also exchange position, third electron can also exchange position. So there are 6 exchanges only. But if we add 1 electron, means we done 3d5, which is actual electronic configuration of chromium, we will add single electron there. So each of the remaining electron have 1 more exchanges with this, so it become 10. So number of exchanges increases, the stability will increase. The second factor is symmetry. Symmetry means identical structures. If the chromium have 4 electron, if the chromium have 4 electron and all the electrons lies like this way, every half the orbitals, there is no symmetry in this configuration. Means one side there are 2 electron, of the another side there are single electron. But if there are 5 electrons, अगर जहाँ पे 5 इलेक्ट्रॉन होते और उनको सेंटर में से हाफ करते तो वो इक्वली डिस्ट्रीब्यूट होते, सो अगर ऑर्बिटल कंप्लीटली हाफ फिल्ड होता तो सिमेट्री बननी थी, अगर कंप्लीटली हाफ फिल्ड नहीं है तो सिमेट्री नहीं बनेगी बेटा. सो व्हाई दिस वे we can explain the exceptional electronic configurations of chromium and copper. This question can also be asked by this way, that why the completely half-filled and fully filled orbitals are more stable, why chromium and copper have exceptional electronic configuration. Both the questions have same answer, that this happened due to two factors. One of them is exchange energy and the second is symmetry. So these are the two basic factors which explain that why the completely half filled and the fully filled orbitals are more stable.